country BBQ pits bought from Academy. Been smoking this brisket for about 8 hours. It is a 8-pound brisket. Got from Kroger, so we're gonna check out the flame, the firebox, as you can see. Going well, kept it at about 200. It's pretty consistent with its surface area being so large that it keeps the temperature pretty consistent, about 200, 250 degrees, which is great for this. So I've not looked at it in a couple hours. Let's take a look here real quick just to see what it looks like. And yep, looks pretty good. Let me set this down and get it's got to be about 180 to 190 degrees if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to make sure just by any means. That gets us to 60 and climbing. And 70.